In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos on your Instagram story. Keep watching this video until the end to exactly know how you can. And before I move on to the video, subscribe to our channel if you are new here and also turn on the notifications so you are up to date for any of new videos that we post. Firstly, let's head over to the story section by tapping on your story on the top left. Here you would want to tap on the camera and capture a blank screen first. Now after you captured your blank screen, you can also change the color of your screen by tapping on the three dots up top right and tap on draw. Select the color that you want to add and tap and hold the screen for a few seconds and the color will be added. Now after the color has been added, tap on the stickered option on the top and choose this option right here. You will need to select this particular option, and after that you would be able to add in pictures from your gallery. And as soon as you do that, you can see the picture has been added. Now adjust it to the screen where you want it and again repeat the same process like so, and you can add in as much as pictures as you want until you fit the screen. And there you go, you can now post your stories. If you guys liked this video and found this video useful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.